Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the Infinity Vision platform. Right now I'll be doing one such question that came in your JMIN examination. This question came on 1st September 2021 in shift second. So let us see this question first. Question says the width of one of the two slits in Young's double slit experiment is 3 times the other slit. So that means the width of one of the slit is 3 times of other. If suppose the first slit has a width of, suppose first slit, let it have a width of x, okay, and second slit would have a width of 3x. So let one of the slit has a width of x, so the another would be 3 times of x. So first is 3 times of x, let it be, okay. And if the amplitude of the light coming from the slit is proportional to the slit width, so that means this is directly proportional to amplitude coming out of it, okay. And one thing that we already know, that the intensity of any light coming out of the slit is directly proportional to square of the amplitude, okay. So now the ratio of minimum to the maximum intensity in the interference pattern is x by 4, which is also given to you. So you need to find out the value of x. So let one of the intensity coming out the first slit is I1. So this must be proportional to A1 whole square, okay, and this further be proportional to, don't you think it further be proportional to S1 whole square, because amplitude is proportional to slit width. So this I2 would also be proportional to A2, which is directly proportional to S2 whole square, okay. So we know the relationship between I1 and slit. Now the ratio of I1 by I2 is nothing but S1 by S2 whole square. Also we know that S1 is 3 times of S2, so it would be equivalent to 9 by 1. So I1, the relationship between I1 and I2 is I1 is 9 times of I2, okay. So the intensity of the light coming from the first slit is 9 times the intensity of the light coming from second second slit, okay. Now we know that the maxima and minimum intensity that can be given by a relationship. You have to find out the ratio of minimum intensity. So the minimum intensity by maximum intensity ratio, we already know it is given by relationship root of I1 the first slit plus I2 whole square. So this is the maximum value of the this is a minimum value of the intensity that you should get, which is minus of I2 whole square. So this is the minimum value of intensity. What is maximum value? I2 minus root of I2 whole square. So this is the maximum value of the intensity, and again it has to be plus, not negative, okay. So now we have to put the value and eventually you'll get the expression. So minimum by maximum is I1 is nothing but 9 times of I2, so it can be written as I1 is 9 times of I2 minus of root of I2 whole square divided by root of 9 times of I2 plus root of I2 whole square, okay. So from here you can easily calculate this expression, and finally you will be getting as root of I2 can easily come out. So eventually you'll get 3 minus 1 over here whole square, and at the bottom also you'll be getting root of I2, okay. So 3 plus 1 and whole of whole square, okay. So this is the expression that you are getting. Again we'll be solving it again. So I2 would becomes I2 by I2, and this expression would become 3 minus 1, which is 2. So 2 ka whole square. So you'll be getting as 4 over in there, and here it is 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 ka whole square, which is 16. So I2 cancel out each other. So 4 by 16 is nothing but 1 by 4, okay. So this is also given as x by 4. the value of x comes out to be 1. Okay, so rest everything is clear. The minimum and maximum intensity you can easily calculate like this, and eventually this is the root of 2 can easily be, it can easily come out. Okay, so this expression would be 3 minus 1, which is 2. So 2 ka whole square is 4. Again here it is 3 plus 1, which is 4. 4 4 is 16. So this expressions would be 1 by 4, and it is already given as x by 4. So the value of x comes out to be 1. I hope this question is clear to everyone. Thank you.